Good morning, everyone. I hope that you are all fine and that you had a lovely weekend, safe and sound in your homes with your families. With that being said, we're going to start today's lesson. Well, as you can see from the picture, today we are going to learn about animals and their habitat. Habitat is a place where animals live. Okay, good. But before we start, I want you to think for a little bit, and also I want you to bring your pupils book, pencil, and the green pen. All right? Okay, so I want you to answer the question, where do wild animals live, in your opinion? What do you think? Where can they live? Yeah, keep in mind that habitat, it means where an animal or a plant live. Okay? So in today's lesson, you're going to learn where animals live. Where can wild animals live? All right. So here you have pictures, okay, of places where animal can live. With a pencil on a piece of paper, I want you to try to name these places. How many places do you have? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. Take a minute. Take a piece of paper and your pencil and try to name these places. All right? Okay, we'll see now. Here you have the same places, so 5 places, and here you have 5 their names, okay? From A to E. A being a jungle, B a cave, C a waterfall, D a mountain, and E an island, okay? Now, I want you to pause the video and match the letter to the number, okay? We're going to do the first one together. Number 1, this is an island. So number 1 is E. Number 1 is E, an island, okay? Now pause the video and try to match the rest of the pictures with their names, okay? Good. Now let's see how much you had correct. So number 1, like I said, is E. It's an island. It's an island. All right, number 2, it's A. It's a jungle. Number 2 is a jungle. Number 3 is D. It's a mountain. Number 3 is D and it's a mountain. Number 4 is B and it's a cave. Number 4 is B and it's a cave. And finally, number 5 is a waterfall and it's C. It's the letter C. Number 5 is C and it's a waterfall. Now I want you to repeat after me so that we work on pronunciation. So number 1 is an island. So which means we don't pronounce the S. The S is silent. So it's an island. Okay? Island. 2 is a jungle. It's a jungle. 3 is a mountain. 3 is a mountain. 4 is a cave. 4 is a cave. 5 is a waterfall. 5 is a waterfall. Very good pronunciation, everyone. Good. Now we're going to do a little bit of reading. So I want you to open your books. Pupils book, page 70. Pupils book, page 70. In activity 1, you have to read and choose the best name for the text. So it's a text about these places where animals live or habitat. Okay? Here you have the habitat, 5. So you have 3 titles. You're going to read and choose the best title. So the first one you have is Animal Habitats. The second title that you have is An Interesting Photo. And the third title that you have is Naughty Animals. Okay? So we're going to read the text together. I'm going to read it first. You can read after me, okay? A habitat is the name for a place where animals and plants live. Let's look at the habitats on this island. Here there are waterfalls, mountains, and caves under the ground. A big jungle grows in one part of the island. Monkeys, snakes, parrots, and other animals live there. Monkeys and parrots live in trees, and snakes live on the ground and the rocks, but sometimes they climb up trees too. Okay? I want you to read the text again and then choose the best name for the text. Okay? Good luck. All right. Now here's the answer. So the best title for this text is Animal Habitats. It's talking about where animals live. So for example, monkeys, snakes, and parrots. Where do they live? Yes, they live in trees. Snakes, they live on the ground and the rocks, but they can sometimes climb up the trees too. All right? So this text is about animal habitats. Is it clear? Good. Now, on the same page, page 70, you have the second activity. So let's see how much you understood. I mean, the difference between these habitats, okay? So here you have the definitions, and here you have the names. So you have to read and match. Read and match. I'm going to read all the sentences for you, and then you can read after me. So number 1, you can climb it. Sometimes you can see snow on the top of it. What is it? Okay, number 2, it's sometimes under the ground and has a river or a lake in it. It's dark inside and bats sometimes live in it. I'm sure that you have it. Okay, number 3, it's very hot and wet here. There are a lot of trees and plants. Okay. Number 4, it's a place with sea all around it. Okay. And finally, it's a place where water from a river comes down onto rocks or into a lake. Okay. Pause the video, use a pencil and write the answers next to the definitions. Okay. Write your answers with a pencil next to each definition. Okay. Good. When you're ready, play the video. And here are the correction. So number 1 is a mountain. Okay, repeat so that you work on your pronunciation. Number 1 is a mountain. You can climb it. Sometimes you can see snow on the top of it. Okay. Number 2, it's sometimes under the ground and has a river or a lake in it. It's dark inside and bats sometimes live in it. It's a cave. Okay. Number 3, it's very hot and wet here. There are lots of trees and plants. It's a jungle. Number 4, it's a place with sea all around it. This place is an island. It's a place where water from a river comes down onto rocks or into a lake. It is a waterfall. Okay, I hope that you learned today's words. You can repeat the video as much time as you need, but here I want you to correct your answers with a green pen first. And then if you have any questions, we will always have our live sessions where we can discuss them. Okay? I wish you a very good day and good luck for the rest of the subjects. See you tomorrow. Bye.